in building Reliance as a science and deep tech-led country. I go back to mid-90s when he talked to us at that time from Government of India Science Technology. I still remember Ajay Swati. They were all around and I called him even then Doc. And he said, Doc, like I told him that Doc, I want Reliance to become a truly innovative company. We are good in project execution. Professor Sharma always tells me that you buy technology, right? When will you make your own technology? And that is how our association started. And if I give credit on vision, I think that bulk of Reliance's vision, I have always validated with Professor Sharma. He has corrected it. And for the record, right, it has been royalty free. The only royalty that has happened is he's seen a smile on our face. But every single thing that we've done, right, he has spent hours and hours. And after that, with Dr. Mashelkar, he has really been involved hands-on with us in terms of from the trenches, and over the last 2 decades, he has been very much an integral part of what Reliance has achieved. And I can say today with great pride that we have over 100,000 technical professionals in Reliance out of our 550,000 people. All of them, right, are now at the threshold of really being a deep innovation, deep tech, science-led company. And that is what Dr. Mashelkar has contributed to Reliance. I told him that if we want to, I will take 3 hours to really enunciate his contribution to Reliance. I just want to share with this audience. When we started, he was the first to really bring in the Reliance Innovation Council, where we brought in a lot of Nobel laureates, global thinkers, to really talk to our people in terms of saying, what does local innovation mean? And this we started in the year 2000. It was his idea, not as an industrial company, but as a deep tech and science company, for which you are the only one who can take credit, and I will always be grateful. My dear friends from the business community, I must mention one more thing I have learned from Dr. Mashelkar. One day he told me, Mukesh, technology without compassion is just machinery. Technology with compassion becomes a social movement. I have reflected a lot upon this. The world is full of intelligent people. Now the world also has entered a new era of artificial intelligence. And of course, we need AI. We must become world leaders in AI. But above all, we need empathy and compassion even more. By combining intelligence with empathy, prosperity with purpose, India can present a new model of development to the rest of the world. Dear friends, there are 2 more qualities that all of us, and especially young Indians, should learn from this proud son of India. And both these qualities seem to grow with his age. One, as I said, is his passion. Whenever he talks, whether he's talking to politicians, businessmen, young students, young employees at Reliance, he is always passionate and in the moment. His other quality is his keen and tireless pursuit of knowledge. Thank you for inspiring us, and thank you for shaping a future where India will not just join the world, but lead it. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in celebrating one of India's greatest sons, Dr. Raghunath Anant Mashelkar. Let us all give him a thundering applause. And thank you for being an inspiration